Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your GMC Yukon. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and your fuel tank is at least half full. This ensures an accurate starting point. You will also need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit, depending on your specific model. Finally, clean your headlight lenses for the best visibility. Now, let's prepare your aiming target. Measure the height from the ground to the center of your low beam headlight. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking it with tape. Repeat for the other headlight. Next, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. Mark this horizontal distance on the wall as well, creating two vertical lines for each beam center. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust. Find the vertical adjustment screw, usually located on the back or top of the headlight assembly. Turn the screw clockwise to raise the beam or counterclockwise to lower it. Aim the top edge of your low beam pattern so it sits at or just below the horizontal line you marked. Remember to adjust one headlight completely before moving to the next. Some GMC Yukon models also allow for horizontal adjustment. If yours does, locate the horizontal screw and turn it to center the brightest part of the beam on the vertical mark. Once both headlights are adjusted, take your Yukon for a test drive on a dark, level road. This final check ensures your headlights provide optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.